Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can attach API domain with GoHighLevel. So you can link this API domain with your calendars, with your forms, and even you can use with your surveys and your quiz and your specific funnels as well. So it's super easy. Let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how you can add your API domain. I will go to the setting, in setting I simply go to the company and go to the white label, and in white label area here you can see the API domains. Here we can attach our API domain. So what I'm going to add here, I'm going to add my main domain. So I will add subdomains for links, like for calendars, for surveys, for quiz, for forms. I just click to add here and add to manual, and here we need to add C records into our domain area. So right now I'm using Hostinger for my domain, and whatever you have you can simply go to your domain provider and you can update your DNS record. So I'm going to update with Hostinger. So simply I just log in my domain area and I just go to advanced if you have Hostinger, and it's the same step with other hosting domain provider as well. First of all, I will add C record, and here you can see we have C record, that's called link. I just add here link, and then I will add target value. Just click on and copy, put in it, and I will just add this record, and the record is added successfully. I just go back and I will just verify it. It will take few seconds. So right now our domain is added here. So I just go to simply log in our sub account, and just go to the calendars, with calendar setting, and here I can just view my calendars. So you can check our API domain is working fine. For example, I just shared the link, and you can see here the links.leadsflex.com, and there is your calendar link with your domain. Here you can see calendar link with your domain. Simply just added our API domain here. So that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. And if you go with my affiliate link, that's in a description box below, and I will give you this all snapshot free of cost, and I will jump with your call and I will configure your GoHighLevel. I will link your domains, I will white label it, something like this one, and also I can design funnels. Each and everything I can give you free of cost. Thank you so much for watching this video.